Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what a reseller group is. They're also known as cook groups. And this is a place where you pay a subscription fee, which is usually monthly. And then, in return, you can network with other successful resellers and get access to features that increase your chances of making more money from hype reselling. It's also an absolute necessity if you want to be a part of a group to catch shock drops or restocks. The thing is, these could occur at any time of the day. Yes, you can sit on your device and monitor sites for hours every day, but life is too short and that's a miserable way to spend it. But thanks to reseller groups, you can continue with your daily activities. And then when there is a shock drop or a restock, you'll get notified instantly. And then you're only a couple clicks away from securing that release. And you can then continue back with your normal daily life. In this video, I'll guide you through how reseller groups work and I'll show you what features they have. In this example, it will be the Hustler Mastermind. I created this group back in 2018, and if you want to join, you can do so now by going to the link in the description of this video. The reason it's not a cook group is because it has so many more features, and therefore it deserves a different name to stand out. Yes, it is still a reseller group, but it has so many more features that I thought a mastermind would be a more appropriate name. Unlike many other groups, memberships are not limited here. This opportunity should be available to everybody in the community. Being a non-limited group allows us to grow faster and get more connections and invest more into the group and get you better results. So now I'm going to walk you through the process of joining and I'll showcase some of the hottest features that we have available. So let me walk you through the process of joining. We start by checking out on this page, and for security reasons I have blocked out the details that I've inserted. Once you check out, you'll be taken to this page and you'll be sent an email. One is order confirmation, and then after 1 minute you should receive an email with instructions on how to join the group. Now, here is the instructions on how to join email. This is the key you're going to need. As you can see, there is a Discord link and also a code. If you haven't got a Discord account, you can create a free one, and I'll leave a link to that too in my description. So what you do is click on the group link to join. And now if you follow the instructions on the email, you can see that you type !auth and then the license key. So we'll do that here. This is the exact same process that you'll be taking. Now, once I do this, I'll get access to all these great features. And now I'll take 2 minutes to show you some of the most popular features that we have. First up, we have the loyalty rewards. Inside this group, there's a unique loyalty reward system. Members can earn points for staying in the group and playing games. After you hit a certain level of points, you get a new rank and you level up. Each time, you'll get access to more perks and benefits, such as giveaways, more slots for Supreme and sneakers, and other things like that. After that, we have an important category. This is where you can find early information about sneaker drops and shock drops. And there's also an urgent info channel. This can notify you on any sudden restocks or shock drops. Then, moving on, we have tools and resources. Inside, we have investment analysis. Here, I cover which shoes you should invest in and when to sell to make a profit every single month. So this will be buying pairs at resale after you might have taken an L or a W, and then investing back into the market to make more money later in the future. Another favorite feature for some members are the eBay bot. This adds views to your listing and it makes you rank up the eBay search. And then also we have discounts on proxies and also Adidas discount codes where you can make profit from brick items. And just remember that if you're already sure about joining, you can do so now by heading to the link in the description below, and then you can get your membership. There'll be free pricing plans available. But continuing with that, next up, we have one of my favorite features, which is the site lists. Here we run a raffle bot that monitors new raffle releases and filters them through on country and store type. This is an excellent way to know when there's a new raffle for a hyped release. Along with that, we have weekly Supreme slots where we try and cop items on your behalf. And we've got weekly guides to inform you about early links and which items you should be copying in the upcoming days. Then after that, you'll find a general place where successful resellers chat and network. And in the success channel, they show off their latest cops. If you're considering buying an item at resale, I highly recommend that you use this legit check channel. This is to ensure your item is authentic, because in here I have a specialized team of resellers that will check whatever item you request. Of course, as long as it's hype related. We help manual users, but we also have a section for those who use bots. Under this section, you can get help with setups and ask questions about botting. This is perfect if you're going into this advanced method of copying. And then the rest of the channels monitor sites worldwide for restocks or shock drops. These are the fastest monitors available on the market, and we're constantly upgrading to maximize success for our members. But apart from that, you get access to all of these features that could easily allow you to make 1,000 in your first month of the group. All you need to do is learn how to use these features to your advantage. I can understand that these features might all seem a bit overwhelming at first, but that's why once you join, I'll contact you and send you a personal message. There we can discuss what you need the most help with, and I'll help you make sure you take full advantage of all the features in this group. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. This is exactly what you'll see when you join the Hustler Mastermind, starting from the checkout after purchase all the way to the group and its features. Remember, you can join right now via the link in the description below. And of course, if you have any more questions, feel free to send them my way. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.